how to fix display or screen black and white in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off sleep mode. Open settings, click on modes and routine, click on sleep. Now here you will see turn off sleep mode. And if you want to turn off sleep mode, then click on turn off. After click on turn off, sleep mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off color adjustment. Open settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, click on vision enhancement, click on color correction or color adjustment. Now here you will see color correction or color adjustment button. And if you want to turn off color correction or color adjustment, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, color correction or color adjustment turn off from your phone. And if you want to turn on, then turn on this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off color adjustment from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open settings, click on display, click on dark mode settings. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again open settings, again click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, contacts, document will be erased or delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix display or screen black and white in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.